Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you guys my honest review of this Judio lip balm, which is just for 49 rupees. So this is how it looks now. As you can see, the tint is very pretty. It is very hydrating considering its price. Now I used it for almost more than a week, and then I'm sharing the review. Why, I'll let you know in a bit. But yeah, this is how it looks. As you can see, the first thing that I like about this lip balm is that it is hydrating. It's not just for the tint or for the glow, it is actually hydrating. Yes, you do have to reapply it after like 2 to 3 hours, but I feel like we have to do that with most of the lip balms. Second thing is that the tint is very pretty. It's not red, it's not pink, it's that very beautiful tint that will go well with all Indian skin tone. And the best thing is that you can build it up. If you want it sheer, you just apply a little bit of it, and if you want the tint to be a little bit darker, then you can like build it up. Third is obviously it is very cheap. It is just for 49 rupees, and I also like that it does not sit on your cracks. It fades out beautifully. Even if like the hydrating part is gone, the tint still remains. It fade out very beautifully. So these were all the positives about the lip balm. Now for negatives, I do not have any such negative to share with you guys. I really like the lip balm, and it is just for 49 rupees. Also, I'm sharing this review after using it for more than a week. That's because I wanted to test out if I could get any reaction or anything like that. But as you can see, there's no reaction, nothing else. It does not like smell bad or does not sticks, nothing. It's very lightweight. So yeah, you can definitely try it out. So I got only one variant, the cherry variant. They have three variants in total, a light one and a brown one. I forgot the name. Let me know if you want me to try all the three variants. So yeah, that's it for the video. Love you all.